Hi guys! So you got to get to know me yesterday, and I mentioned my favorite book, which is The Pigeon Wants a Puppy. I really do. So, I thought that maybe tonight I could read it to you. It's story time with Chloe. The Pigeon Wants a Puppy. I really do! Pictures and Words by Mo Williams. To the pigeon, one puppy. I guess we can go like this. Sorry, I have a cold. Oh, hello! How are you? I'm fine, thanks for asking. By the way, do you know what I want? What I've wanted forever? At least since last Tuesday. A puppy! Puppy, 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 puppy! Oh, don't worry. I'll take care of it. I promise I'll water it once a month. What? Everybody knows that puppies need plenty of sunshine and water. Oh, I get it. You don't want me to be happy, do you? You don't want me to take piggyback rides on my puppy or play tennis with it. You just don't understand. I'm a puppy-loving pigeon. Ah, puppies! I want a puppy right here, right now. Woof. What's that? Woof, woof. Is it possible? Have my dreams come true? Woof. It's huge. The teeth, the hair, that wet nose, the slobber, the claws. I mentioned the teeth, right? Really, I had no idea. I've changed my mind. I want a walrus. To the pigeon, one walrus. The end. Good night. Sweet dreams from Chloe Christine.